Run. Dogman. Okay, I can't wait to post this on YouTube. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. Oh, he almost bit me. His teeth are getting sharp now. Don't do that. He's starting to bite now.
No, it don't hurt. It feels like a nice blanket on you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That was his reaction. Okay, guys. What's he gonna be doing? Oh my god! Oh my god! No! It's Godzilla! Oh,
It's flying! The dog is flying! Wait, act like he's Superman.
Superman, Dogman. Who are you gonna call? Dog Busters. Something dog in your neighborhood. If there's something called Jordan in your neighborhood, who are you gonna call? Jordan Busters. Now go attack him.